Hello, and this is my brother right here, and we'll be showing you how to do admin commands. Woohoo! Okay, so first we will be showing you force tame. Let's do it on this track right here. Okay, so all you have to do is to open this tab, you have to do square, triangle, R1, and L1. And this is on PS4, so if it's for Xbox, I believe it is probably X, Y, and those top two buttons where L1 and R1 is. Okay? So, first you just have to type in force tame right here, and then push the admin command button, and see now it is mine. So now you can ride on them without the saddle at all. Much easier. Although remember, you have to be on a private server, or you have to be an admin on a server to be able to use these. Okay? Okay. So next, we're going to show you infinite stats. So, if I write in infinite stats, and be free to pause the video at any chance you want to, if you want to write down the number or anything. See, this is infinite stats right here. You can pause it. Okay. So, see, all my stats are full now. I can run forever without stopping. And the only way you can die is if a dinosaur, basically what happens, if you get attacked by a dinosaur that has a higher damage than you have health, basically, then you die. Because basically what happens is you immediately heal. So, okay. Next we will be showing you give item number commands. You write in give item number, no spaces, and then you'll write the number right after that, okay? See, I'm just gonna go with 1, okay? And then, let's say you want just one of those. So that would be the number next. Next would be how many you want. First would be the game code number of the item. And then next, you want how good it is. So let's say you want a level, like an ascendance, whatever the heck you want. And just write in 100, it goes up to 100. You can do anything in between there. If you want to give someone something crappy. Okay, so now the last thing is the blueprint. Do you want it to be a blueprint? If you do, then you write in 1. If you don't, if you just write in 0. Okay, let's say I do that, and see, I got an ascendant simple pistol. And you can go on Gamepedia for the numbers if you want to know the admin command number for that, the game number. Okay, so the last one, so the next couple ones I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna do add experience, which is just add experience, and then you also, after that, you're gonna want to go into it and write how much you want after that. Space, and then write how much you want. So let's say I want 9,999. And then you want to go push a 0 and a 0. Okay? And then if I did that, I would get 9,999 experience. Although I already have that. So if you look at my brother's screen, you can see he's getting shared tribe experience because I did that. So, okay. And he does not have headphones at the moment, so, you know. Okay. So, one of the next ones I'm going to show you, let me, take off my tech armor right now. I'm going to do fly. Okay, it's glitching. Give it a minute. Okay. And you just write in fly. And look, I can fly. No jetpack needed, as you can see. Okay, okay. No jetpack needed at all. Just flying like a ghost. And that brings me to the last one. This is a PvE, pretty good server. Okay, so the last thing the last thing I'm gonna show you is Ghost. It makes it so it's basically like fly, only you can go through objects. And then the same thing with fly as Ghost. To turn it back to regular, you just push walk. You just put walk on, Make sure to pause any of the videos if you want to see what the commands are. So, see, back and everything's back to normal. Okay, well, this is Ark Survival Evolved, and peace out and subscribe!